Welcome back to Jackla Travel. Today I wanted to talk about something just a little bit different. In my last Gifts You Can Travel With video, I talked a little bit about merino wool, and I want to tell you a little bit why merino wool has changed completely the way that I travel, but it's also really changed my life. So first of all, what is merino wool? Merino wool, this dress is my merino wool dress. It's actually very much like cotton. Like it feels just like cotton. It doesn't feel like wool. It's not bulky, it's not scratchy, it's not heavy. It comes from merino sheep, and it's very sustainable. The great thing about merino wool is that I can wear this dress for days on end and it doesn't smell. It doesn't collect that grease and dirt that normal clothes do, or the smell. Sometimes at the end of the day it'll smell, and then I'll hang it up at the end of the night, and the next day I wake up, smell completely gone. So you can wear this for multiple days. Right now I'm doing a challenge. So this is from a company called Wool and I'll put the link to it below. I do want to tell you that this video is not sponsored. I bought this dress. However, I do get a little bit commission if you use my link and buy a dress. But no pressure at all. I just think merino wool is amazing no matter what company you buy it from, as long as it's actual real merino wool, obviously. So I'm doing a thing called the 100-day challenge from them, and it's where I wear this dress for 100 days in a row. And I know that that sounds super crazy, but it has changed my whole mindset on how to pack, how to live, how to dress, everything like that. So I'm on around day 80 right now, which is just crazy to me because basically I wear this dress every day. I wash it about once a week. You do have to wash it. The smell thing, it's really good at rejecting smell, but eventually it kind of adds up. So I wash it about once a week, and on the days that I wash it in the morning, and then that night or after it's done, I'll wear it for the 8 hours or whatever you need to wear it for that day. But it's changed my mindset on things, and actually my therapist recommended that challenge because I felt like I was being really controlled by stuff. I would get stressed out, I would get depressed, and I would go on Amazon and buy a bunch of clothes that, are not good quality. They would fall apart quickly. They, are not sustainable. They're coming from, wherever they're coming from, and it's just not good for our environment. And so I really wanted to make a change. So one thing that this has taught me is that I don't need that many clothes. First, people don't care what you wear. That is something that I've totally noticed. But then you can also dress it up in different ways. I wear different sweaters every day, or scarves, or, I wear it in different ways. But the most important part, and what I really want to talk about, is how I travel now. Because when you're only wearing one dress, all I have to pack is a couple pairs of leggings and under things, and obviously my makeup, because I'm not giving that up yet. And that's it. So I can get away with like a week or two in a backpack or a tote bag, and this is really my new goal of, I don't want clothes anymore. I went into my closet, I kind of took out everything that doesn't match everything else and is not good quality. And I'm a different person. I'm completely a different person now because I don't go to Amazon. I don't buy just crap. If I do buy something new, I check the materials. I check to see if it's going to last. I am okay with spending a little bit more. Like this dress, I mean, they are not inexpensive. This dress, I believe, was on sale for like $133. But if I finish my 100-day challenge, I get a $100 gift card. So I can buy another one, and then I'll have two. And then I won't ever have to wear anything else ever again. But it does change the way that you pack. And I recommend, if you are like I used to be and you're an overpacker, and even if you use a small suitcase but you can't quite get it shut before your next vacation, your vacation's not about clothes. Your vacation is about enjoying yourself and exploring a new area. And I'm not judging. I'm not judging overpackers. You pack whatever way your little heart desires, because that's what I used to do. But it makes me happy to not, drag a large suitcase with me everywhere, and to be able to just put everything in a small bag and go. So again, I'm going to put the link to this dress below, but they have a ton of other dresses. There's other companies that have merino wool as well. Just make sure it's real merino wool, and it will change your life, I promise. They have Wool and has a 100-day challenge. They also have a 30-day challenge if you're not quite ready. I don't know if you get a gift card for that. I am not sure, but they do have that shorter challenge if that's something you want to try as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how you pack, or if you would be considering this or anything else. But it has shifted my brain, and I'm so, so thankful for it. So I wanted to just kind of give you an update on that. Don't forget to subscribe and like below, and let me know if you have ideas for other videos. Thanks.